What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm going to do the review of these butterfly wall decor. As you can basically see, so basically come in all these size, as you can see right here. So these are basically the same size, so they come in 3 different sizes. So you have a lot of these small one right here, as you can basically see, a lot of these, and we have 2 of these big ones, at least 3 of these big one right here, as you can see. They have these little medium size, as you can see right here. Also inside we have a user manual, which basically shows you how to paste these tapes on the wall. And yes, we have these stickers, as you can basically see. We have stickers for all of these inside right here. Basically after just peel off one of these, as you can basically see, I have it right there with the tape right there on it, just like so. And it basically stick on to the wall, as you can basically see. So basically to give this a more 3D effect, what you can basically do, you can basically bend this back like so, give it some amount of crease, so it basically give it more 3D effect when I space on the wall. So as you can basically see now, paste it on, and it basically comes off like that. As you can see, just gonna put that on as well, just like so. And looking very neat so far, as you can basically see how it's coming along. So guys, I'm going to install now the bigger size, as you can basically see right here. Stick it onto the wall like that, and now you can see guys, it looking really perfect. Great decor, have that great 3D effect. And there's it guys, hope you find this video very helpful.